1. 1986 Ford Mustang Fox Body Drag Race Roller. Price, $20,000, located, Minneapolis, Minnesota. The 1986 Ford Mustang Fox Body Drag Race Roller is a professionally engineered radial race car built for serious competitors seeking a proven platform capable of exceptional performance. Constructed with a certified 25.5 chassis updated in 2024, this notchback has been carefully assembled using premium racing components throughout. The car features a stock-style suspension with double frame rails, a Racepack V300 SD data acquisition system with multiple sensors, dual Racepack AF4 oxygen sensors, MSD grid ignition management, AMS 2000 boost controller with unlocked GATS traction control, and a Denver RPM switch. A heavy-duty Ford 9-inch rear axle equipped with 40-spline gun-drilled axles, spool, wishbone suspension, Viking shocks, strange brakes, and a carbon fiber driveshaft delivers outstanding durability. The removable fiberglass front end, lightweight fiberglass doors, Lexan windows, complete plumbing, and wiring reduce weight while maintaining race-ready reliability. Designed for a big block Chevrolet and TH400 transmission combination, the seller states the car has recorded impressive 1.01 foot times and consistent 4.20 second passes at 180 miles per hour. Simply install an engine and transmission to begin competing immediately. 2. 1972 Dodge Dart Swinger. Price, $16,500, located, Scotland, South Dakota. The 1972 Dodge Dart Swinger is a powerful street and strip machine that combines classic Mopar styling with impressive big block performance and dependable mechanical upgrades. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this rust-free muscle car is powered by a professionally built 493 cubic inch stroker V8 equipped with a tunnel ram intake and dual Holley 750 carburetors, delivering exceptional horsepower and unmistakable muscle car sound. A durable automatic transmission provides smooth shifting while allowing the engine to perform effortlessly both on the street and at the drag strip. According to the seller, the Dart consistently runs impressive 11-second quarter-mile times, proving the quality of its performance-oriented build. Extensive documentation accompanies the vehicle, including paperwork covering the engine build and mechanical upgrades, providing confidence for the next owner. The aggressive appearance and outstanding performance make this swinger a favorite at local cruise nights and automotive events where it consistently attracts attention. Combining dependable Mopar engineering, serious V8 power, documented upgrades, and excellent overall condition, this 1972 Dodge Dart Swinger is an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts seeking an affordable American muscle car capable of both comfortable cruising and exciting drag strip performance. 3. 1970 Ford Mustang Premium Coupe. Price, $38,000, located, Conway, Arkansas. The 1970 Ford Mustang Premium Coupe is an exceptionally built pro-street machine that successfully combines serious drag racing capability with full street legality for enthusiasts who appreciate uncompromising performance. Under the hood sits a professionally built 514 cubic inch Ford big block V8 featuring forged internal components, Victor intake manifold, 850 Demon carburetor, MSD ignition, performance camshaft, and long tube headers connected to a street-legal exhaust system. A heavy-duty C6 automatic transmission with Transbrake transfers power to a Ford 9-inch rear axle equipped with 4.11 gears, spool, and strange 31-spline axles. Additional race-inspired features include wheelie bars, parachute, line lock, four-wheel disc brakes, Mustang 2 front suspension with coilover shocks, fiberglass body panels, racing seats, roll cage, weld wheels, and odometer gauges. Recent upgrades include a completely new wiring harness, fuel system, 20-gallon stainless fuel cell, electric power steering, dual batteries, and oversized rear tires. According to the seller, the Mustang is perfectly suited for cruise nights, weekend driving, car shows, and spirited street performance while remaining fully street legal and exceptionally reliable. 4. 1972 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $14,500, located, Ottawa, Kansas. The 1972 Chevrolet Nova is a solid American muscle car project that offers an excellent foundation for enthusiasts seeking an affordable classic with dependable V8 power and significant restoration potential. Finished in burgundy with a black interior, this Nova is powered by a reliable Chevrolet 350 cubic inch small block V8 paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission and a rear axle equipped with 4.10 gears for strong acceleration. The seller notes that the transmission currently has a minor fluid leak and may require future attention, although it remains operational and continues to shift through the gears. Front disc brakes improve stopping performance while rear drum brakes maintain traditional reliability. The older paint continues to present well with good shine, and the body is described as solid without extensive rust or excessive body filler. This combination makes the vehicle an excellent starting point for restoration, customization, or weekend cruising. Combining classic Chevrolet styling, proven mechanical components, and affordable pricing, this 1972 Nova presents a fantastic opportunity for buyers looking to own a legendary American muscle car with room for future improvements. 5. 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle Pro Street. Price, $45,000, located, Lenexa, Kansas. The 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle Pro Street is an exceptionally detailed custom muscle car that combines breathtaking supercharged performance with show-quality craftsmanship and timeless Chevrolet styling. Powered by a massive 468 cubic-inch big-block Chevrolet engine, this impressive build features a Wian 671 supercharger, dual Edelbrock 750 carburetors, roller rocker arms, ported and polished cylinder heads, gear drive timing system, ceramic-coated hooker headers, electric fuel pump, and premium ARP fasteners throughout. A professionally built turbo 400 automatic transmission with a 3,000 revolutions per minute stall converter transfers power to a narrowed Ford 9-inch rear axle supported by a Chris Alston 4-link rear suspension. Additional upgrades include power steering, front disc brakes, aluminum radiator with dual electric cooling fans, custom driveshaft, custom firewall, fresh red paint, and a completely new interior. Every visible component has been painted, polished, chromed, or finished in aluminum, demonstrating extraordinary attention to detail. Showing only 30,000 actual miles, this outstanding Chevelle offers collectors and performance enthusiasts an exceptional combination of reliable big block power, premium construction, and award-worthy presentation. 6. 1962 Chevrolet Nova Chevy 2. Price, $18,500, located, Topeka, Kansas. The 1962 Chevrolet Nova Chevy 2 is a unique street and strip machine that combines lightweight early Chevrolet styling with modern turbocharged LS performance for an exciting driving experience. Built as a versatile performance car, this custom Nova has been designed to deliver impressive acceleration while remaining suitable for cruising and automotive events. Power comes from a turbocharged Chevrolet LS engine that provides exceptional horsepower, excellent reliability, and modern engine technology within the classic Chevy 2 platform. The lightweight body contributes to impressive performance while maintaining balanced handling characteristics. According to the seller, the vehicle is equally comfortable competing at the drag strip or attending weekend cruise nights, making it an attractive choice for enthusiasts seeking maximum versatility. Its clean presentation and upgraded drivetrain provide an excellent opportunity for buyers wanting a classic appearance with modern performance capabilities. Combining legendary Chevrolet heritage, advanced LS engine technology, turbocharged performance, and outstanding project quality, this 1962 Chevrolet Nova represents an exceptional value for collectors and enthusiasts looking for a distinctive American street and strip machine. 7. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. Price, $28,000, located, Baldwin, Missouri. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro is a professionally constructed drag racing roller built on a certified double-frame rail chassis that offers outstanding potential for pro street, drag and drive, or dedicated competition use. Featuring an all-steel roof and quarter panels with titled 1969 Camaro SS documentation, this impressive project maintains the correct factory wheelbase while incorporating extensive modern racing upgrades. Premium components include a fabricated Fab 9 rear axle, 40-spline strange axles, extreme 4-link rear suspension, Weld double beadlock rear wheels, Aliomaster spindle mount front wheels, carbon fiber trunk lid, adjustable carbon fiber rear wing, carbon fiber tubs, Team Z control arms, custom fabricated firewall, billet trunk mounts, rear-mounted fuel cell, Willwood master cylinder, and completed aluminum interior panels. The body includes original Camaro doors, front end, and glass, although final assembly remains for the next owner. Professionally fabricated by PMP Fabrication in Illinois, this outstanding chassis offers exceptional quality throughout. The seller notes that limited time prevents project completion, creating an outstanding opportunity for racers seeking a premium competition platform with tremendous performance potential. 8. 1973 Chevrolet SS Race Car. Price, $21,000, located, Lee's Summit, Missouri. The 1973 Chevrolet SS Race Car is a professionally built full-tube chassis competition machine designed for serious drag racing while offering outstanding flexibility for future engine combinations. Built to certified at 8.50 specifications, this lightweight race car weighs approximately 2,500 pounds with a small block Chevrolet engine and Powerglide transmission installed, making it an excellent platform for competitive racing. The professionally fabricated chassis features a 4-link rear suspension, tubular front A-arms, rear drag slicks with fewer than 40 passes, lightweight Lexan windows, fiberglass doors, dual fiberglass hoods, fiberglass rear deck lid, rear-mounted fuel cell, and battery relocation for improved weight distribution. Included with the sale are coated small block headers and a Beyond Omega delay box, providing additional value for racers seeking a turnkey foundation. The paint and body remain in fair to good condition while maintaining an attractive appearance suitable for competition. According to the seller, the car last competed during the 2025 racing season and only requires an engine and transmission before returning to the track. This professionally built Chevrolet race car offers exceptional value for dedicated drag racing enthusiasts. 9. 1985 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe. Price, $50,000, located, Buckner, Missouri. The 1985 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe is a professionally constructed full-chassis drag racing machine built to deliver outstanding horsepower, consistency, and reliability for serious competition. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this purpose-built Camaro is powered by an impressive Sunset Performance 632 cubic inch Chevrolet big block engine capable of producing exceptional performance on the drag strip. Power is transferred through a dependable Powerglide automatic transmission, a proven combination favored by experienced racers for its durability and consistent performance. The vehicle is equipped with a complete professional electronics package featuring an advanced data logging system that allows detailed monitoring of engine performance and race information for accurate tuning. Built on a full race chassis, the Camaro provides outstanding structural rigidity and safety while maximizing traction and stability under hard acceleration. According to the seller, the car is ready for competition and requires no major modifications before returning to the track. Combining legendary Camaro styling, premium racing components, exceptional big block power, and professional race engineering, this 1985 Chevrolet Camaro SS represents an outstanding opportunity for dedicated drag racing enthusiasts seeking a competitive turnkey race car. 10. 1979 Chevrolet Malibu. Price, $14,500, located, Willard, Missouri. The 1979 Chevrolet Malibu is a highly modified street and strip machine that combines lightweight G-body styling with modern forced induction performance and dependable racing components. Power comes from a Chevrolet 5.3-liter aluminum V8 equipped with upgraded connecting rods, forged pistons, a ProCharger supercharger, and a nitrous oxide system, creating an impressive combination capable of outstanding horsepower. A professionally prepared turbo 400 automatic transmission featuring a transbrake and manual valve body delivers dependable performance while transferring power to a quick-performance Ford 9-inch rear axle. Engine management is handled by a Holley Terminator electronic fuel injection system, providing accurate fuel control and outstanding drivability on E85 fuel. Additional features include power steering and power brakes, making the vehicle easier to drive both on the street and at performance events. The seller notes that no trades are being considered and the asking price is firm. Combining modern LS engine technology, forced induction, premium drivetrain components, and aggressive Chevrolet styling, this 1979 Malibu offers exceptional performance potential while remaining an exciting and affordable choice for street and strip enthusiasts. 11. 1971 Buick Opel Race Car. Price, $14,000, located, Port Byron, Illinois. The 1971 Buick Opel race car is a lightweight tube chassis competition vehicle built specifically for drag racing enthusiasts seeking a ready-to-run platform for the upcoming racing season. Professionally constructed with a full tube chassis, this purpose-built race car emphasizes reduced weight, structural rigidity, and dependable performance under competitive conditions. According to the seller, the vehicle is offered as a complete turnkey package, allowing the next owner to begin racing immediately without extensive preparation. The car features 4 brand new racing tires that provide excellent traction and stability during hard launches, while the lightweight construction contributes to impressive acceleration and overall track performance. Although the seller includes a title with the vehicle, it is currently not configured for legal street operation, making it best suited for dedicated motorsports use. Additional specifications are available within the accompanying photographs for interested buyers. Combining lightweight engineering, race-ready construction, dependable mechanical preparation, and affordable pricing, this 1971 Buick Opel race car represents an outstanding opportunity for racers seeking a competitive drag racing platform capable of delivering consistent and enjoyable performance throughout the racing season. 12. 1988 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. Price, $4,000, located, Wichita, Kansas. The 1988 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible is a unique high-performance project that combines classic C4 Corvette styling with a powerful small-block Chevrolet engine and numerous drag racing upgrades. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this custom Corvette is powered by a naturally aspirated 355 cubic inch Chevrolet V8 equipped with a large performance camshaft and a 650 CFM double-pumper carburetor for impressive horsepower and aggressive throttle response. Power is transferred through an automatic transmission featuring a reverse manual valve body and a 2400 stall converter, creating an exciting driving experience. Street-legal rear slick tires provide exceptional traction during hard acceleration, while the seller notes that the rear gear ratio is unknown because the vehicle was purchased already modified. An out-of-state title accompanies the sale. However, the car is currently not street-legal because the headlights, brake lights, and turn signals require repair before registration. Offered at an affordable price, this Corvette provides an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a budget-friendly performance project with significant potential for restoration, customization, or dedicated drag racing use.